What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages not working or you're not able to send message to anyone on Instagram. So I'm going to open up my Instagram account here guys, and the first thing you want to do is go to your messages. Right now, if you're inside Instagram messages guys, I would suggest that you try to send messages to more than one person, because it could be that a person that you're trying to send a message to blocked you. So you want to try to see if you can send messages to other person. If you're not able to send messages to other person, and the next thing that you want to do is to check your internet connection. So you want to go ahead and check if your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is currently working. You can try to see if you're able to see various feeds and refresh Instagram and to see if that is working. You can also try to see if when you open up your browser, if you try to check some pages, if that page is working, and if you have internet connection, then great. You go back to Instagram guys, and the next thing that you want to do is go ahead and click on your profile on the lower right hand side. Then click the three lines on the right hand side at the top there, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to account status. Now from here you want to check to see if you have any strikes. You want to go ahead and open up each of them to see if you have any strike. If you see all four green check marks, that means that you're okay. Content lowered in feed, you can also come here and you can check to see how each of them, you can check the features you can't use. This is an important one to check to see if you have anything that you can't use, for example messages or something. Could be that you're under a strike, you're not able to use a particular feature for a period of time. So it's good to come here and check your account status. Now if your account status is perfectly fine guys, the next thing that you want to do is just find the Instagram app, hold down on it until you get this pop-up, and click the eye on the upper right hand side. That will take you into the app info here, and you want to scroll all the way down to storage. Now once storage open guys, you want to go ahead and click on the clear cache. Click on that to clear the cache, and you also want to clear the data as well. So you can click both of them, and then you want to go back again to check if you're able to send messages in the Instagram. So you want to go back to your messages again guys, and you want to try again to see if you're able to send messages. If you're not able to send messages guys, then I would suggest also open up your Play Store or your App Store, and you want to search for Instagram, right? And tap on it to see if you have any updates. If you have updates there, you can go ahead and update to the latest version of Instagram. Go ahead and try these things, and if this does not work, last resort, try to reboot your phone. Try to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and try to see if Instagram works. I really hope this helps, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.